Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video, we saw how to create maven project by using Eclipse tool. Okay, that's what we got. So we need to do some kind of configuration. Of course, it's a one-time process, but yeah, you have to do this so your project looks good. So first of all, you need to fix the version. Right now you can see JRE is 1.7, but we are using 14 version. So we have to fix that first. So right click on your project, go for properties, and from left section there is a option Java build path. Click on that, and then there are multiple tabs open: source, project, library. So we have to go for libraries tab. Okay, there shows that JRE is 1.7, so select this one, and from right side remove it. Okay, it's gone. Now we have to add the JDK 14. So click on add library, then pick JRE system library, then click next, and then you can pick your default workspace, or alternative you can pick that as well if you have want to configure, or execution environment. So we'll pick execution environment, drop down, and you can find Java SE 14. Okay, so it is selected and finish. Now we can see Java SE, Java Standard Edition. Java SE stands for Java Standard Edition. So select it, apply, and close. Okay, so the JRE or the JDK version is updated. Next, we need a source folder. Why? We will see later. But for now, you have to add source folder. So let me put them together. So start with fix the JRE version in Eclipse that we have done. Then add source folder. In maven project. Since we are creating this through Eclipse, so yeah, certain kind of configuration you have to do. But again, it's a one-time process. Once you're done with the project, we can focus on the content of Hibernate. Okay, so it says add source folder. What's the source folder name? It is src slash main. You guys have to write it as it is. Don't do any kind of modification or anything which you want to append. Just write this as it is, resource. This typo, resource. So src main resources, that's my source folder name. Okay, selected, going back. So how to add source folder? Right click on it, then new, and there is a source folder. I already copied it, pasted. So src main resources, and finish. Let me fix this as well. It's s resources. So we have added resources folder as well, and that's how our project looks like. So let's have a look on what's the structure of maven project. So these are like two steps you have to perform before starting up. So before proceeding further and configure our project as per Hibernate requirements, we need to understand the structure of project. So it starts with this thing which says Hibernate app. That's our project name. That's right. Then we have one thing, src main Java. This is the place where you write Java code. Then next is src test Java for unit test cases. We have created this recently source folder, src main resources. This is for configuration. Maven dependencies, there you can find all the libraries. What is that? Later we'll see that. JRE and the pom.xl file. Okay, so what these are? Let's write them again. So Hibernate app, it's a project name. src in Java, place for writing Java business code. Next, src test Java, it's for place for writing test cases. Now test case could be anything. It's functional test cases or feature test cases. So I'm just writing it generic way, test cases. src main resources. This is for let's say we are learning Hibernate for now. So in short, HP configuration. So if you want to configure your Hibernate, you can put some files inside src main resources like dot .xml files, for example. Okay, it's done. Then maven dependencies, it's a location for libraries. In maven, Libraries are also known as dependencies. So they are identical. So either you can call libraries or dependencies, both are same if you are working on Maven project. Then JRE, it's a Java version. And finally the POM file. This is project, or you can say Maven configuration file. Project or Maven config config file. So let's connect them. This is our project name. This is for writing test cases, test for writing test cases, resources for hybrid configuration, maven for location of libraries or dependencies. This is for Java version, and POM file is for configuration. So we have now a like clear idea if you're working on Maven project. So what locations for what purpose? Let me just put them in boxes. So we are done with this video, guys, and here we learned how to configure Maven project for initial stage. In next video, we will configure this project for Hibernate, and there are certain steps we will put them and document every single steps. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.